Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we'll be playing some Cookie Edition. So the first thing what we're going to be doing is first we're on the toolbox. So I will show you doing this. You see that tab right there? I click it and then I do what I can cheat on some residents. So if I'm going to get any of the box. So this is a very cool book. You see, it will anything in the inventory, I can enchant it over me. So it'll go and then it's gone forever. I wasn't doing stuff like really expensive stuff like diamonds and stuff. Say whoops, I didn't mean to do that, and then you got rid of your stuff forever. So never do that. Never get like expensive stuff and then just like be stupid and delete them. That's like really stupid. So I'm gonna get the and I'm gonna show you how I use it. So this is the block that I'm using, and it's called Blowing Obsidian. So I'll turn it tonight. For the night, and it actually glows. So every time I do this block, it will always move. So it's really cool, and oh my god, why did I do it on that time? Okay, so anyway, you can also fly, so I'll show you in third person. So fly, and this is it in third person. You may hurt yourself when you come down, but it looks really cool, and I'm gonna go change the time and see if this glows in my hand. Okay. I need to do it nice. So, does it glow? Let's see. It kind of glows in your hand, and it looks. Let me go and get some glows. Glowstone. Glowstone. Let me go. Glowstone. To see if it's better. This one and this one. I think the glowstone works more better, so I'm going to go back as this person and yeah. Okay, so this is like really cool. Pick, and I can just like get a pickaxe, and then I can mine all this stuff. And then you get a normal obsidian once you've done this. So I will put a silk torch in this if I was you. Silk torch. And I'm breaking. Okay, I'm going to do Let us select touch. Yeah. So that means it's got circle touch to show it'll give you the actual block right here. But it doesn't go in the stack. So I'm going to remove this stuff. Remove. Okay, instead of like throwing it away. I'll come back when I've did all this. This is how much I would have got if I had all of them, but I threw it away. But I would have had 21. But I did get one, so yeah. Oh, whoopsie. Let's go and break that. So, you see, running box really do blue. I'm gonna kill this cow and it's going to be so dead. So I'm going to throw all this stuff away. I'm gonna remove all this stuff. And I'm gonna grab a bow. And I'm going to enchant. Okay, so I'm going to enchant this and I'll be back. Now I'm done with the bow. You see I can't shoot it. So I'm going to get some arrows. Okay, it's the other way around, isn't it? Oh, so let's see. Where is an arrow? They're all there, but not the job. Let's go. Go. Get good arrows. I know I'm gonna turn it on too hard. No monsters are going to spawn. Yes, you did. Oh, I didn't mean to kill the creeper. Let me see, I got stuff. Okay. Another two. Me. Nobody could take me down. Okay. I'm going to remove this dust. I'm going to wear the helmet. Then. Okay. Well. Well, I did that real far. This way, get zombie. What? Okay. So, sorry I haven't been talking. Just ignore the voices, please. Okay. So, bye-bye, guys, and have a lovely day.